Former President Trump's criminal hush money trial in New York will move forward next month as scheduled. That's the ruling today from the judge in the case after attorneys for Trump pushed for a delay.
A request to dismiss the case was also denied. Trump is facing 34 felony counts of falsifying business records. CBS 2's Alice Gaynor was in the courtroom today as the former president was there.
The former president entered the courtroom and looked at people on both sides of the gallery. He even waved at someone. He said nothing in court, but listened as his attorneys argued for a delay in the trial, which was denied. Their motion to dismiss the case was also denied. Former President Donald Trump's defense attorney Todd Blanche asked for a delay in the trial, arguing it was a grave injustice to keep the start of the trial as March 25th, noting all of Trump's different trials and the need to prepare. The judge told Blanche that he chose to accept those cases and that he made it clear this was a date certain. You proceeded at your own peril. Prosecutors from the Manhattan District Attorney's Office argue the defense was using the pendency of each proceeding to evade accountability in all proceedings. Blanche also argued it's primary season.
We want delays. Obviously, I'm running for election. How can you run for election and be sitting in a courthouse?
The judge maintained jury selection will begin March 25th. They also went over issues with questions submitted by both sides for prospective jurors. Many proposed questions by the prosecution were the same as the questions asked of jurors in the E. Jean Carroll civil case, like asking each potential juror where they get their news from and whether anyone believed the 2020 presidential election was stolen. Prosecutors say if someone answers yes to that, it demonstrates an unwillingness to follow the facts and kind of just blindly follow statements made by the defendant. The defense countered that many people believe it was stolen and thought it was an inappropriate question. This is one of 4 criminal prosecutions Trump is facing. This trial centers around a payment to adult film star Stormy Daniels, who claims they had an affair. Trump is accused of falsifying records to hide a series of payments to his former lawyer and fixer Michael Cohen. The payments are alleged to be reimbursements to Daniels to keep her quiet before the 2016 election. Trump's attorney says he was reimbursing Cohen for legal expenses and nothing more.
There is absolutely no case here. It's not a crime.
The trial is estimated to last about 6 weeks. If convicted, the charges are punishable by up to 4 years in prison. Outside of Manhattan Criminal Court, Alice Gaynor, CBS 2 News.
And when the former president returns to court, CBS 2 will be there. As the case moves forward, look for continuing coverage here on the air and streaming on CBS News New York.